Hey guys, Chadwick here. You know there's nothing more frustrating than going to the grocery store or ordering avocados online and they're rock hard, right? I've got a trick to show you how to turn them into something creamy and delicious in 10 minutes flat. Come with me into the kitchen, I'll show you how it's made. Grilled avocados with spicy tomato mash is something I've been entertaining with for years. And the steps are really simple. All you do are quarter 4 avocados, and then toss them in golden olive oil and season with salt and a little bit of pepper. Give them a nice toss, and then we're going to put them on the grill for about 6 or 7 minutes until they're beautiful and smoky. So you want to get your grill or grill pan nice and hot, medium-high heat, and then just place the avocados like this and grill them for about 6 or 7 minutes, and they'll bubble and brown along the skin. And while these are cooking, we're going to make the mash. Making your salsa at home is really quite simple, especially during COVID. It's fresh, easy, delicious. For me, it's all about the ingredients, and I add a charred fresh jalapeno or chipotle and adobo, which is really a smoked jalapeno. We're just gonna put all of the ingredients in the blender. I've got red onion, fresh cilantro, 5 or 6 cloves of whole peeled garlic, red wine vinegar, and a charred jalapeno. And whiz it up for about 15 seconds, and we're ready to eat. Y'all, so now it's time to put all of this together. We have our grilled avocados and our spicy tomato mash. And since we're social distancing, we're gonna serve these on our individual plates. To finish this, you dollop the mash on top of the avocados. Finish it with a drizzle of olive oil. And for some extra heat, I like a big dash of hot sauce. There we go, guys. It's time to dive in. Who knew you could do this with really hard avocados? I'll see you next time here in the kitchen. For these recipes, more tips, and cool kitchen tricks, go to chadwickboydlifestyle.com/recipes.